Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Piano Man on a C harmonica. To begin, ensure you have a standard C harmonica. This song is in the key of C major, making the C harmonica the perfect choice. We will primarily focus on holes 4, 5, and 6 to capture the main melody. Let's dive right into the notes and techniques you'll need to master this classic tune. Now, let's tackle the opening phrase of the main melody. Begin by blowing into hole 4, holding that note for about 2 beats. Next, draw on hole 4, immediately followed by blowing into hole 5. This creates the distinctive sound of the song's beginning. Practice repeating this sequence slowly until it feels natural and smooth. Consistency is key here. Moving on to the verse progression, transition by drawing on hole 6, holding it for approximately 2 beats. Immediately after, blow into hole 5, then draw on hole 5. To complete this section, blow into hole 4. This sequence forms the core of the verse melody. Practice these transitions carefully to ensure a seamless flow between the notes and phrases. To truly bring Piano Man to life, let's add some rhythm and expression. Try incorporating a slight vibrato by gently moving your hand around the harmonica. Vary your breath pressure to create dynamic changes, making some notes louder and others softer. Most importantly, listen closely to the original song for precise timing and feel. These elements will elevate your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.